The Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, don announce say police don arrest 28 suspects wey dem believe plan the Yelwata Killings for Benue State wey make 47 people die. When im dey tok to tori pipo for Abuja, the IGP say police still dey find other pipo wey take part for the killing. Im assure Naija pipo say police dey on top the matter and dem dey collect illegal guns wey bad pipo dey keep. Egbetokun yarn say police don increase border patrol to stop illegal migrants wey dey enter Naija. Im tok say dem go soon carry the 26 suspects go court, including 22 other suspects wey dem catch for Jos over the killing of 9 pipo wey dey travel go Kwampan for wedding. The IGP explain say dem first arrest 28 pipo but 2 no get case as dem just use dem catch the main 26 suspects. Dis arrest come after President Tinubu order service chiefs and IGP to find and arrest the pipo wey dey do the bad attack.
On 19th June, 2 prime suspects who were masterminds of this attack were apprehended from their hideout. This arrest led to the arrest of 7 other suspects the following day, 20/06/25. They were picked up from their various locations where they had fled, hoping to evade justice. On 21st June, another key suspect, in whose house the initial meeting to plan the attack was held, was also arrested. On 22nd June, a major breakthrough was recorded with the arrest of 18 other suspects who directly took part in the killings. On 22nd of June 2025, a heartbreaking incident occurred in Mangu, Plateau State, where a bus conveying passengers from Zaria was stopped and attacked by a mob. Tragically, 9 of the passengers were murdered and 3 sustained injuries before our teams could intervene and rescue the remaining 22 victims. So far, 22 suspects have also been arrested in connection with this gruesome act of mob violence. They too will face the full wrath of the law in court.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.